Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put PowerPoint picture in shape. We start by inserting the image that we have in our PowerPoint, and if necessary, we will crop it to fit it better from the image picture format. Next, we will go to the Insert menu, and within the Basic Shapes option, we will choose one of those that appear. We click and create the shape using, if we want, the Shift key to preserve the proportions. After that, we right-click on the image and choose the Cut option. Then, we right-click on the shape and click on Format Shape. In the menu that opens, we display the Fill option and check the Fill with Picture or Texture option. After that, within Picture Source, we choose Clipboard, and we will see that the image is inserted into the shape. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Another faster option is to click on the image and click on Picture Format. Then, within Crop, click on Crop to Shape and select the shape you want. We will see how our image takes our shape. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.